With the growth in technology and everything shifting online, it is not surprising that people are finding more and more ways to increase their wealth using creative methods online. Welcome back to another video to the channel, guys. Today we are looking at some easy options on how to make money online in 2021. Number 15, Twitch streamer. If you're a gaming fanatic, then this might be some really good news for you. The gaming industry is very lucrative with upcoming security, with people from politicians, celebrities, singers, and players taking avid interest and pumping millions of dollars into it. Twitch is a platform that is giving gamers a way to play their games, do live streams, and interact with followers while making a quick buck. Start a career online with your gaming, interact and create a fan base, get sponsorships, and deal out in some ads. Receive fan donations, sell products, and you will be making money and a name for yourself as a Twitch streamer in no time, all while doing something you love to do. Number 14, virtual assistant. Being a virtual assistant may be the next big thing when it comes to online jobs. With so many entrepreneurs and busy people who cannot afford to waste their time on mundane tasks, like working on Excel sheets and preparing presentations or taking notes, people are hiring personal assistants to make their work easier. As a virtual assistant, you could be doing bookkeeping, social media managing, and some writing work. This is a great option for people who would like to work remotely, young students, and stay-at-home parents. Number 13, online tutoring. Online tutoring is a great way to make some extra cash. If you're good at it, you could schedule additional classes, take on multiple students, and have a source of income without needing another job. You could teach specialized subjects, language classes, or even crash courses for students before their exams. You would need to be a great teacher and communicator, and the best part is all you would need is a good Wi-Fi connection and computer. Number 12, sell photos online. Do you have a passion for photography? Then this is some good news for you. You could take everyday things and sell them online through stock photography websites. Some companies would even pay you for taking photographs of the things that they need. This is a great way to channel your hobby while making money every time someone downloads your photo. Number 11, voiceovers and voice acting. Many don't even know you can make a living through voiceovers and voice acting. There are several decimated websites you will find where people would pay you to do a voiceover for their files and books and would pay very well for it too. You could even join freelancer websites and find voice acting jobs on there. The catch is here that you need a good microphone, a quiet space, and some editing software and skills. Number 10, translating and transcribing. Are you bilingual? Then this is great news for you. Several websites will pay you to convert files, text, and even audios from one language into another. While on the other hand, some websites even offer to pay people for translating audio files and writing them down simply from what you hear. You might have to take small tests on the websites to see if you're eligible for the job, but they are fairly simple. Number 9, create an app. This suggestion requires technical know-how. However, if you can create an app, this could make you a lot of money. Think of people like the creator of Clubhouse or Snapchat. They all started from an idea, and look at where they are today. There is an app out there for everything nowadays, and if you have some great ideas, you could make it something and sell it. You could even employ someone to make it for you while you give out the ideas and pay them for their technical skill. Your best bet would be to add the app to the Apple Store or Google Play. Number 8, freelance work. If you're frustrated with your job and tired of working the same 9 to 5, then you could consider your future as a freelancer. Freelancing doesn't mean you are unemployed. It simply means you have employed yourself and will willingly enter into long or short-term contracts with people to offer your area of skill and expertise. You could do so online for sites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and many more. Whatever your skills you can offer, there is a job out there for you to do. Whether it's writing, editing, designing, Photoshop, app creation, etc. Number 7, affiliate marketing. A popular way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. You can be affiliated or partnered with great companies like Shoplift, Amazon, Uber, or even FabFitFun. This method allows you to promote brands while earning a commission whenever someone uses the links you provide to buy the product or service. You could include multiple links and increase your chances of earning commissions. You could do this through your social media, blog, or even YouTube and Twitch. Number 6, ebook publishing. Looking to make some good money on the side and you have a knack for writing? Then consider writing your own ebooks and publishing them online. With new technology and Kindles in the market, people are turning more towards ebooks. Writing ebooks are fairly simple, and you can find simple step-by-step tutorials online with the help of Amazon KDP. You could publish books for free by yourself without the hassle of a publisher. This method might take some time to see profits, but it is a creative and fun way to make money online. Number 5, create an online course. Nowadays, you can even design your own specialized course and sell it online. This is a creative way to make money and share some skills and knowledge that you have that could help people out there. You can sell your course on places like Udemy, unless you already have your audience through social media or a blog to whom you can sell the courses. It has been reported that some young students have been able to make as much as $5,000 by selling online courses. Number 4, blogging. Blogging is a great way to use your writing skills and make some money too. There are full-time bloggers out there who make quite a lot of money, but it does take deviation and patience. Therefore, blogging is not a very quick way to make money. Find a niche in which you can write your blogs, connect it to your social media, advertise it, use SEO tools, and increase traffic to your blog. Allow for ads on your blog, and you will earn money as people visit your blog and read it. Plus, it's a great way to express yourself. Number 3, YouTube. If you have a way of talking and exude charm, this is a great platform for you. You could start your own YouTube channel. Pick a niche, whether that is makeup, fashion, tech, meditation, exercise, or whatever you think you can offer, and start making videos. Sharing videos on YouTube is free, and you can even choose to start monetizing your videos and make money from YouTube AdSense. Have patience as you grow your audience to make a sizable income. Interact with them and even get affiliate links and sponsorship deals with brands for products that you could promote and sell through your channel. Number 2, print on demand. A great way to make some money online is to try print on demand. If you're into designing, you can sell your designs online. You can publish your designs, which can be printed on clothes, mugs, posters, notebooks, etc. The best part is that you will not have to hold any inventory, so that takes away any financial burden. But here you can add specialized labels and branding that you can't do with other methods. Number 1, drop shipping. One of the most popular ways to make money right now is through drop shipping. Here, you will sell a product to a customer, but the supplier is the one who will handle the packaging, labeling, storing, and shipping. You will mostly make money as being the middleman. You could try sites like Overload, drop shipping, or even use your social media accounts like Facebook ads to draw in potential customers through social media. With that being said, it's time to end our video. But before that, we want to know, do you know any other ways of making some money online? You know what to do. See you in the comments section. We hope you enjoyed the video. Consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.